Tools HQ is proud to be a family-owned business based in Burlington, Ontario. Our core specialization is in the manufacturing and supply of electrical wires and cables specifically designed for trailers and automotive applications. Enhance your wiring with our premium parallel bonded 16 AWG for and 18 AWG for conductor cable, perfect for OEMs and trailer manufacturers, offering excellent performance and flexibility for various applications. This cable has four color-coded conductors in 16 gauge and 18 gauge wire, ensuring strength and flexibility. Its parallel bonding keeps conductors close together, and the cable's flexibility allows for easy routing in tight spaces. Introducing our premium 14-gauge tube conductor copper brake cable. Its 14-gauge thickness and durable insulation provide the robustness required for automotive applications. The 14x2 wire offers strength and reliability with a two-way conductor for proper flow and pure copper for corrosion resistance. Packaged on a sturdy reel, it features durable insulation and high flexibility for easy installation in tough environments, meeting safety standards to prevent hazards. Crafted from premium copper, primary automotive wire offers exceptional conductivity, allowing for efficient electrical flow and minimal resistance. The insulated wire protects against environmental factors for lasting performance. Its flexibility facilitates installation in tight spaces, ensuring a clean, professional look. Explore our full range of innovative solutions at Tools HQ and elevate your experience today.